Hello friends, this is Lady Flora, and it's pretty warm out today. It's about 80 something degrees, 90 degrees. It's like a typical August day in Florida. But I thought I would pop outside and play around with some seeds. I've got one of my other dragon fruit plants, and I saw Bill do this on Plants and Things, and he's pretty legit. He actually has a couple other videos showing the progress of his seeded dragon fruit plants. So his videos are really cool. So I figured I would just do what he did and see if that works for me. So basically what I'm going to do is take a little spoonful of this stuff, just kind of like I would do if I was going to eat it, and put it on this paper towel and kind of like crush it into the paper towel, and then when it dries, actually put the paper towel in the dirt. So yeah, that seems like a pretty good idea to me. What do you think? Have you planted dragon fruit seeds before? If you have, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what your methods were. Another thing that I've been wanting to try is rooting onions, especially like the green onions, like scallions. So that was what I did last night. And these are like the little bottoms of scallions, you know, that have the roots, and you usually just cut them off. So I just cut them off and stuck them in this dirt. But I also have this larger onion, which the label said that it was a barbecue onion, which I've never heard of that before, but it has teeny tiny roots on it. So yeah, I figured I would just go ahead and stick that in here with its friends. Let's see, I need to make some room for it. So yeah, we should have some onions hopefully soon. Okay, maybe not that soon, but yeah, it'll be fun to see what happens. The soil is already a little bit damp because there's been a lot of rain lately, but I don't know what kind of soil it is, to be honest. It doesn't look like the most amazing. It looks like okay soil, and it's not like compost or anything like that. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens. Maybe we can sprout some onions from onion tops, just like on Pinterest. I've got a couple other projects that I'm planning in the future, trying to sprout some ginger as well, so that'll be fun. So stay tuned for that. I make a nature diary 5 times a week, and I believe that connecting with nature can have a positive impact on your life. So go outside and have a sublime day.